and welcome back to Financial Phoenix. I'm Alexis, and today I am going to share with you one of the tools that I use the most in my couponing to save tons of money. Ibotta is a simple, easy to use app that saves me major bucks on stuff that I buy all the time, and it even scores me freebies. And I'm going to show you how to use it step by step. Let's go. When you first log into the app after downloading it, you'll see a search bar up at the top. You can use this to find individual products or stores. We'll talk about this more later on. Under the recommended retailers section, you'll see a list of stores that you can shop, and the ones that you shop at most frequently will eventually be listed first. Below that, you'll see a bonus section, which is something that we're going to use quite a bit when we're saving money. If a bonus offer says something like $1 for 15 offers, that means if you redeem 15 qualifying rebates with the app, you'll earn an extra $1 on top of those rebate amounts. So let's take a look here. This one, the Dublin the Cash bonus, is 0 of 40 offers that I've redeemed. So I would have to redeem 40 offers to earn $10. And that might sound good if you're just starting out, but 40 offers is kind of a lot, so I'm probably going to pass on this one. I only have about a week or so to do it, a little over a week to do it, and 40 offers is kind of a lot. So unless, this is a week where we're getting a lot of free stuff, probably pass on this one. Scrolling lower, you can shop other ways online and by restaurants, things like that. Beer and wine purchases, all of that. That's shopping by category. We're going to go ahead and choose a store like Walmart under retailers. One thing to note here too is that Walmart does offer the option to clip your offers ahead of time and pick up your groceries with their pickup service. That's the online Walmart that you'll see right there. You'll still earn your rebates on these items within a day or so after you pick them up, but you won't be able to use paper coupons when you pick up your groceries. To redeem your rebates through the pickup service, you just need to open your Ibotta app and connect it to your Walmart grocery account through the prompts that they provide. It's easy to complete in under 5 minutes. You can see there that it says my account is linked. We're going to go ahead, like I said, and choose Walmart as our retailer. And now we're able to see all of the available offers that we can redeem at Walmart. And right here, right off the top, you see 2 freebies, the perfect bar and the perfect snacks, right at the top of the page. Now, one thing to note is that these do vary by store. I happen to live way far out in the country, and for whatever reason, my Walmart doesn't happen to get a lot of these freebies. So I get as many as I can, but if you live near a major metropolitan center, you might have a little better luck than I do. Now you can scroll here, but I prefer to use the categories at the top, and I'm just moving these along with my finger. You can scroll through those in a little bit more organized way. For instance, clicking on the best value tab right there will often take you to the best deals that are the most value. So a lot of freebies and buy one, get ones. There's another freebie, a couple buy one, get ones there. So how do we begin saving money with the Ibotta app? It's really simple. There are a couple ways, and I'm going to talk about them from the easiest to the ones that are more complicated. The easiest one is to download the Ibotta app and simply look for free products. That could be these perfect bars, these perfect snacks. Let's go to the best value tab. We've got free Violife vegan cheese. This Laughing Cow blend product is actually a freebie because that $2.99 is more than the cost of the item, just because I happened to look it up. But we've also got these kids probiotics here that are free. We've got this Starbucks triple shot zero, which is free. There's some lip balm that's free. So really, this is the easiest way to save money on the app is, just go on here and get free stuff. And that's pretty simple. There's not much more to it than that. You would clip these offers. So like, let's take this one, for example. So this vegan cheese here, I'll tap the offer, I'll tap the plus sign, and now that's added. So if I use the pickup service, it'll automatically know, because it's linked to my account, that if I buy this item, I should get this $4.98 rebate back. If I am shopping in store, I'll get a receipt, and we'll talk about at the end of the video how to redeem your receipt for your rebates. But that's pretty much it for the first one, which is just get free stuff. The second way to save money on using the Ibotta app is getting deals on stuff that you purchase often. So let's take a look at the dairy section, for example. Is there something like here, we've got Philadelphia cream cheese. Is that a product that you buy pretty much week to week? Do you always have a stock of Philadelphia cream cheese that you absolutely can't live without? Then, of course, you're going to want to go ahead and clip this item, which I'm doing, again, just by tapping the plus sign there, because anytime you buy this, and if it's something you buy all the time, you're going to want to save that extra dollar or that extra 50 cents on that. Same with anything, really. So, you know, if your kids, my kids love these Chobani flips. I've always got that one clipped week to week. That way we can save money on something that we're definitely going to buy. So, you know, that's no extra work. It's something that was going to be on my grocery list anyway, and I'm just getting these little amounts back. And that adds up over time, especially if, you know, you can find a lot of stuff that you like. For example, we love these Just Crackin' Eggs. There's some cheese, and this is just the dairy section we're talking about. You can look in your pantry, beverages, you know, all kinds of stuff. So that's just getting little discounts back here and there on different items. Let's take a look at a little bit more in-depth method of couponing using the rebate app. So combining savings methods to get products for cheap or free. And what I mean by combining savings methods is this. If I am going to go to the store and shop for an item, let's look in the pantry section. So I've got this Cool Whip, right? It's 8 ounces, and I've got this 50-cent rebate back. This is a good example of how to do this. So let's say I have a coupon, a paper coupon from the newspaper for 50 cents off of a tub of Cool Whip. Or I've looked at the available online printable coupons, and I found one that way, whatever works. So I've got 50 cents back on this Cool Whip paper coupon. All I need to do is go to the store, pick up this tub, let's say it's $2, take it up to the register, scan my coupon and my item. I'll be paying $2, and then they'll take that 50 cents from my coupon off. So I'll be paying $1.50. And then when I check out, I'll take that outside with my receipt, scan the receipt with my phone, and I'll get that extra 50 cents back. So now I've gone from paying $2 down to $1 by combining a paper coupon and the Ibotta app rebate, which I can do. So now I've taken my $2 tub down to half price. And you can do that with so many different offerings, especially you see this a lot with beauty and personal care products like razors, toothpaste, things like that. So for example, I know recently we got a lot of paper coupons for this new Skintimate Bloom razor. So if I have a $4 paper coupon and a $3 Ibotta rebate on this $7 razor, well, look at that. Now that razor is free. Oh, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, where we're posting deal alerts, freebie alerts, breakdowns, new things all the time. You can even join our Facebook deals group, where I post the best deals that I find from all over the internet. You can do this by combining not just paper coupons, but also rebates from other apps like Shopkick. Now, there are some rebate apps that will not allow you to use them if you are already using one from a different app. So what comes to mind is Checkout 51. They very rarely allow you to combine savings methods. So that's not one that I'm typically using a whole lot. But the ones that I use the most are Ibotta, Fetch, and Shopkick. And if you don't have any of those, you can find the links to those in our description box down below this video. So that's pretty much the deal with saving money. So now that we've kind of discussed how to get free products, get deals on stuff that you use all the time, and combine our savings methods to get products for cheaper or free, the last way to earn money, even some cases make money, from using the Ibotta app is by working your bonuses. And here's what I mean by that. Let's go back out to the home screen for a moment. I just used the back arrow. So you saw this bonus, this double in the cash bonus. And again, like I said, we probably won't do that. 40 offers is kind of a lot. But let's just say that we're gonna try and hit that. We've got a lot of freebies this week. So our goal will be to create a shopping list, essentially, of 40 offers through Ibotta that we can get for as close to free as possible. That way, when we earn this $10, it's mostly going to go in our pocket as money and not just as a rebate. So, for example, let's go back to Walmart. First, we would gather up, like I said, all of the free things that we can find, the perfect snacks, the vegan cheese, anything that's free. Then we would grab stuff that we definitely need and are going to buy anyway, that we have a discount on. We would buy anything that we can get for super, super cheap, under $1 prices we're talking about, or even free by using that third method of combining savings methods. So gather our paper coupons and see how many different items we can get free or close to free so that we're paying as little out of pocket as possible. And then that $10 after all those rebates is just gravy on top. That'll just be $10 in our pocket. So, like I said, that's a little harder to do when you have a big rebate requirement like that, like 40 offers. But that doesn't happen too often. There are different ones that they offer every week, from $5 for 10 offers, 3 for 12. It just depends. There's all kinds of stuff that they offer, on a week-to-week basis. So I said we would take a look at that search bar. So let's go back and do that. So up at the top, you have a search bar. You can use this to search for individual products or stores. So if I want to find a Starbucks rebate, for example, I just type in the word Starbucks, and it shows me that Starbucks is a retailer that I can buy gift cards from, but that's not what I'm looking for. And now it shows me any offers or rebates that I can get back on products that are the Starbucks brand. So the only one here is this free offer for the Starbucks triple shot, but it also shows me other offers that I might be interested in, which are all these other types of coffee as well. So that's a helpful thing that Ibotta does. Maybe my Starbucks isn't going to have a rebate this week. I could, get another coffee instead. If I click on the Starbucks offer, I can scroll down and it'll tell me everything I need to know about it. So this offer is free, but it's only valid on the 15-ounce can. If there are other sizes, that will not work. I can redeem it one time per receipt, so I can only go to the store and get one of them. It's valid on this specific type of Starbucks canned coffee, and it has to be added to my list, so it has to be clipped essentially before I go to the store, and then it tells me when it expires. And if I keep scrolling, it tells me where I can do this offer. So as you can see, I can only do it at Walmart or through Walmart pickup. It will not work at any other store. That's really important, when you're first starting out, to make sure that you're getting items that are for the correct store, because that will definitely mess you up. So let's go back out. Another thing we can use this search bar for, which is helpful, is if you see this barcode right here, this is a barcode scanner. And I don't really have anything to scan right now, unfortunately, but basically, this is how you are going to go in store and check to see if an item qualifies for a specific rebate. So say I have my Starbucks can here, we'll use Hopper. Hopper, we're going to scan you. Boop. And it will tell me whether or not this applies to this offer, this item does. So if it is not recognized, you have not picked up the right item, or for some reason it isn't reading the item correctly. When you're ready to redeem your rebates, just hit the redeem button. You'll simply need a paper receipt unless you went with the Walmart pickup method. At Walmart, you simply need to scan the code at the bottom of your receipt and your rebates will be rewarded. So I'll put a picture up here of a Walmart receipt so you can see this long code is all that needs to be scanned, and it will automatically add your rebates that are clipped to your account. At other stores, Walmart is the only one that does that. You'll need to hit redeem and use the app to take a photo of your whole receipt. So I would pick like Kroger if I were shopping at Kroger, and there it would show me how to take a photo of my receipt. Being sure to include the date of your purchase, that's important. Make sure it's a clear, easy to read photo or photos. You can take multiple if you have a long receipt. And the app may ask you to confirm the purchase of the items, which means just clicking an item, putting in how many that you purchased, and scanning the barcode of the item. So if I purchase an Oral-B toothbrush, it may ask me to confirm, yes, I bought one, and hold up the barcode of the toothbrush, and it'll scan it with the barcode scanner, just to confirm that you've actually purchased it. Once your receipt is submitted, your rebates will be added within the next day or two, and when you reach the $20 threshold, you may transfer your money to PayPal. So I'll show you. There's our account, and you can see my lifetime earnings there. You do have to reach $20 to withdraw your cash. One last little thing to show you is the Earn More section. If you hit that down at the bottom, this will take you to a bunch of other little bonuses. So up here, the featured bonus is the big one that we talked about already, but there are a lot of these little ones that you can get for other things as well. You got a 50-cent March bonus. You got a 50-cent dial bonus. And these are all ones that I'm currently working on that I've already purchased something towards. And then there are all these extra ones down here that you can go through. Sometimes, like here's a Skintimate one for Target. If you have those paper coupons plus your Ibotta rebate, maybe you also have rebate apps from a different maybe you also have rebates from a different app and you have this bonus. Now you're looking at maybe some moneymaker stuff instead of just freebies or cheapies. I hope this video was helpful in highlighting just how easy it is to save tons of money using the Ibotta app. If you learned something new today, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below this video and subscribe to our channel right now. If you'd like to see me continue this series and do tutorials on other rebate apps, go ahead and let me know in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching, and remember to save money, make money, and dream big. Bye, everybody.